Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kango token. Now the Kango token is on the Kaspa blockchain. This is a Kaspa meme on the KRC20 blockchain. And this token here just got a brand new central exchange listing starting yesterday, October 24th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to talk about a couple different ways to get this token. And we're going to go over the information on it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Kango on KAS. Now this token, it was just announced, got a brand new central exchange listing starting yesterday, October 24th at 14 hours UTC time. So that has already passed. So it is available now on a central exchange called xt.com or XT Exchange. So it says new listing, Kango on KAS will be listed in the innovation zone in the Kaspa eco section yesterday. So you can get this token by downloading XT Exchange from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or opening an account on xt.com. Then going into the, or funding your account actually with USDT, then going into the trade section and searching KANGO, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buying the token. It is that easy. So today I'm also going to be posting some other very popular KAS tokens that are being listed, some Kaspa meme coins that are being listed on XT as well. Nocha the cat is one of them. There's also another one called Pepe KRC20, which is the Pepe on KAS token. And there might even be another one. I am going to post another token probably today at some point. The Scooby token, which actually just got listed on CoinEx Global. I do have a CoinEx Global referral code down there too in the description box if you guys don't have a CoinEx Global account. And that exchange is also getting a lot of KAS meme coins being listed on there. So check out my most recent videos on those KAS meme coins and the ones that I'm going to be posting today and tonight. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at Kango _ON_KAS. The fastest and realest meme coin, property of OG KAS community members. Join our Telegram here. Has a link to their Telegram. It says a real impixel. Has a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. 3,579 Twitter followers. They just joined Twitter September 2024. Blue verified checkmark, 194 posts. And then they have here one of those contests in their pinned tweet where you can retweet, comment KAS address, like and tag 3 friends, and you could receive some free tokens if you win. And yeah, so they have all sorts of cool updates and things like that on their web or on their Twitter right here. And also you could join the Telegram at Kango on KAS, 345 subscribers. That's another great place to see updates regarding the project. new token listings, announcements, partnerships, that type of thing. And of course, memes. Everybody needs to see daily memes and stuff like that. So you can preview the Telegram channel before joining. And you can find tons of links also in the link tree. And they have here, you can find them on KAS.FYI. That's going to have some statistics here. So they have a market cap of over $1 million. $1,096,389. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $418,436. It says 100% total minted. So far they have 1,533 holders. Now, most people, it says, in the past 24 hours have got this token off XT. So the 24-hour trading volume for XT is $378,000. But a lot of people also, $40,000 worth of trades have been done today on the Kasper or Kaspa bot, which is Kspr space bot. So they have here on their webpage Kango.run. The roadmap is on there, and it says the story of Kango. Kango spent his life camouflaging behind bamboo trees, hiding from Bitcoin maxi snakes, avoiding central banks and demonic entities. He dreamed of being fast enough to escape the chaos. Thundering clouds gifted him the power to chase his dreams. He was electrocuted and absorbed by an ASIC miner. Ever since then, he has been steadily running at speeds of 10 BPS and has helped mining become more efficient. Kango represents each one of us participating in the KAS ecosystem, driving humanity forward by adopting the best and most efficient money that has ever existed. So their roadmap here starts with reclaiming KRC20. Our founders, tired of the Memecoin epidemic of 2024, decided to create a token for the people as an homage to KAS's principles. Also, organic and fair launch. KAS can go. Trying a little play on words there. Our plan is to grow beside KAS and help KAS grow faster. We will water the ecosystem using Kango. Our goal is to provide KAS adopters with the possibility to generate financial freedom a little faster and finding ways to generate extra KAS while having fun supporting the coolest and fastest character on KRC20. Projections, no expectations, just vibes, dreams, and hard work. We are a small team of OG Kaspa investors fueled by passion for decentralization, Kaspa tech, and mathematics. We dream about KAS blowing past 200 billion market cap and becoming a top 3 coin, and will do whatever is possible to add fuel to the raging green fires of KAS. Kango was created to speed things up. Being a fair and organic mint means we all win together. So go check this token out. Kango.run is the webpage. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.